So there's a welcome drink, which is handmade, and it's millet cocktail, which is 3% of alcohol. Okay, then you have to dip your finger into the alcohol and then sprinkle it 3 times. Represent to the sky, to the ground, and to our ancestors.
Hi， 我是阿瑞，还有要跟大家介绍就是我的家里人，𝒏𝒈的家里人，欢迎你们的到来。
谢谢。那 Arai is the 11th generation of the village. Wow. She prepared a little gift for us. So this leaf is from a very important tree in the village, and every guest to come here, we can receive one for blessings. And actually, in the past, they don't even allow foreigner or outsider to go inside the house. So before entering the house, we have to take a moment to pray and thank you for everything and to have a respectful heart. They treat everything here as a soul. So they won't say it, they will say her or he. And this one is a welcome pot. It's an important ceremony. And Ara, the 10th generation, will have a blessing on it, and so we will receive it. So later on, we will use both our hands to put on the pot, and then in our heart, we have to introduce ourselves to her.
Kama kina uza sa markatalak markatawu mantente mamazay pakdaway ula muna na kamlang ula muna na pauputo.
I feel a very strong float from my palms up to my body and through my whole body.
Me too. I felt like I was swaying a bit. I felt so warm inside. Like feeling welcome, really, with the words of I.
对，就是希望这个祝福可能主你也感受到了，对啊，就漂亮的3个女孩，真心诚意来到这边，要来听𝒕𝒏𝒈 的故事，
So there's a welcome drink prepared by the 10th and 11th generation of the village, which is handmade, and it's millet cocktail, which is 3% of alcohol. Okay, let's take it. Okay, thank you.
Pasalaraw to tas balitan to kamay karubat.
Okay, then you have to dip your finger into the alcohol and then sprinkle it 3 times. Represent to the sky, to the ground, and to our ancestors. It's so sweet. It doesn't feel like any alcohol inside. So this house is called the breathable slate house is because they treat everything as alive, and it's a soul in it. And also, actually, their construction, they use slate to do the construction, and there's a little bit gap inside. But insects cannot come in, but the air can. So it's like breathing in and out and giving life and circulation inside the house. This is a very important building to the community because they always join in all the most important community events here, such as weddings.
So I'm curious, how many years of history has this house?
现在大家所看到，从旧部落迁移到这里，将近有80年、100年的历史，快要100年的历史了。为什么琉璃珠对我们这么重要？它是对于我们就是整个家族的一个核心的一个地位的一个象征。所以我们会制作琉璃珠，尤其是在身份上的时候，我们怎么样找回我们曾经的那个琉璃的光芒？